Hi guys! If it's noon, where are we? We're back in Wrocław from Norway. You can probably tell by the surrounding. And here I've got a small surprise. Last time when I was recording a movie, you've probably seen there were fruit flies everywhere. So I made this little contraption. I'll snap you a picture of these. And maybe a close-up. Okay, I was trying to teach them swimming, but as you can see, they didn't learn anything. So really good thing if you have fruit flies, you don't have to use any special chemicals, buy any dedicated fruit fly traps, just some vinegar, some dishwashing liquid, and it works wonders. Regarding Norway, I want to buy something for my daughter, which is typical Norwegian. I saw some Norwegian chocolate, and reading the label on the back, it said distribution Warsaw, Poland. So that's how the Norwegian chocolate is actually made, someplace in Poland. But I found some of these jellies, and these are actually made in confectionery snacks Norge, neither and no. So real jellies. As for what we have here, are some cool packages which were waiting for me. This is probably charging cable. Remember, no, you haven't seen that because that was only in Polish. While I was in Norway, I recorded an episode. I was talking about a survival book by MacGyver, not by MacGyver, but with MacGyver's face on it, not the real MacGyver that you know, not Richard Dean Anderson, but some young guy. I guess the new episodes are with some new face. Well, I got a book like that. And I also got a great pair of jeans from China. Last time I bought these light blue ones. They were fitting perfectly, so got a new pair, a bit darker. But let's start with this package. So as I thought, this is an iPhone charging cable, but it's not your typical cable. Take a look at this. You can tell here it's charging. Oops. What's so magical about this cable? If it either breaks inside, or you just want to trim it, make it shorter, you can cut it, and you open this up. Insert a cable, and it's as good as new. It's not as easy as it said. Got to plug it back in because, of course, we're not cutting this with a voltage applied. So you can see it's charging again. Works perfectly. Oh, did I mention that I have a nickname, MacGyver in high school? Got my yearbook here. I'm throwing a picture. So my nicknames were Lovsky. That's because for someone it was easier to pronounce it without a P. MacGyver and Ninja Man. Why Ninja Man? Well, remember that fat kid with a lightsaber? There were some movies on the internet. Well, he could learn quite a lot from me. But let's not mention that. Let's see the jeans. Watch out. See that stretch? Well, they'll fit perfectly because they're exactly the same size as the light blue ones I bought earlier. These are just in this typical dark blue jeans color. So I'll try them out later, but I'm sure they'll fit perfectly. And now for the most interesting thing, from MacGyver Survival Guide. I'm a bit disappointed by the cover. I was expecting Richard Dean Anderson, of course not the current one, but the one probably everybody remembers from the MacGyver series with this hairdo here. But let's see the content. Hopefully there won't be any BS, as I've seen in one of the survival manuals, where it was mentioning that if you don't have anything to drink, you can drink your own urine. Well, something like Bear Grylls. Well, that'll be pretty much okay. But then the next sentence, the guy says, to improve taste in the wintertime, you can add some ice cubes. What the? If you've got ice or snow all around, why the hell would you want to drink your own piss? So that shows the quality of that survival manual. Here it looks actually pretty good. Forward by Peter Lenkov, introduction Lucas Till, science by Dr. Red Alain, text by Ian Cannon. So it looks like they actually got some scientists involved to check if there isn't any BS theories and if things presented here can actually work. Forces of nature, don't get caught without a paperclip, handcuff escape, essential knots, science behind phosphorance, UV pest filter, vacuum climber, MacGyver action, maximum secure breakout, essential knots, catch the wave, don't caught without a rope, science behind direction finding. Actually quite interesting. Improviser by Peter Lenkov, executive producer MacGyver, and of course we've got the Swiss Army knife. Quite large. I don't know if I want to carry something this heavy. Lucas Till, MacGyver of CBS's MacGyver. So I guess this is the new actor playing MacGyver. I haven't seen the new series. That's probably because I don't have a TV nor satellite, and I haven't heard anywhere in Poland that they run this on TV. Phoenix Foundation, your essential toolkit. Of course, the Swiss Army knife, Zippo lighter, some tea lights, aluminum foil, rope, the MacGyver duct tape, paperclip, batteries, and bubble gum. Break-ins, breakouts, force and motion, torque, friction, energy. What to use the paperclip for, a handcuff escape, basics of lock picking. Well, one thing is knowing the theory, but entirely different is real practice. For that, I can recommend you get yourself one of those clear padlocks. There's a movie I put up some months ago where you can buy one of those padlocks in China, as well as lockpicks. For example, in Poland it's illegal to get lockpicks, so importing something like that is quite risky because those can be not only confiscated at the border, but you can pay some penalties. So it's better to make your own using something like a paper clip or a hairpin. They won't forbid you from doing that. Bump key, electrical lockpick, essential knots, tubular lockpick, door busting, intruder detection, and there's even some chemistry here. Thermite. That's also illegal according to our local laws. I don't know about the US, but that falls under the rules and regulations on explosives. even though it's not explosive, but it can do quite a lot of damage. And it's really simple aluminum dust and iron shavings, and you're getting really high heat reaction which will burn basically through anything. Door breaching, suction climber, vacuum cleaner metal tray. Now that's an interesting concept. Something that will allow you climbing up the walls. Hidden door deduction, zip tie breakdown, that's also quite useful. So it's showing you some survival techniques, but not like for the woods, but urban survival. Maximum security breakout, explosive jailbreak. Will be a fun read. Okay, so I'll tell you more about this book once I finally read it. Of course, I'm still disappointed by the cover, but what can you do? So, that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon. And for the end, my new jeans. Got a mirror here. Just take a look. As I said, they fit perfectly.